Hi, I would love to introduce the AETS system, which is the Automated Energy Transfer System. It comprises of robotics with robust vision system and controls to enhance the charging process. We see many benefits out of this: productivity gain, minimizing charging downtime, enhanced safety, and enhanced reliability of the whole process. As we go through the next segment, I would like to show you the AETS system components. We have the robot room, which consists of the robot and its sliders, and the dispenser system, which is from the manual charging system. And we have the control room, which comprises of the controls and all the supporting systems, such as the pressure washer and the air compressor that provides the cleaning services. In the next segment, you will see the whole cycle as we designed it. The truck will pull up to the designated parking location. Once the truck is there, the AETS system will then scan the area for enhanced safety of operation, especially during the robot moving into the operational zone. We will have visual indicators to show the state of the process, which is the blue light indicating autonomous process. Once that happens, the roller door will come up, the robot will present itself to the operational area. It will look for the receptacle box location, and the pressure washing cycle will start. This is fully configurable to the seasonality of the site and the specific. Once that is completed, we will then use our secondary vision system to locate the door, engaging the door and opening it. And then the final vision check to locate the receptacle connector so we can do the insertion robustly. In this cycle, we will then engage the dust cleaning cycle. We then remove the dust cap, and then we will open up the protective cap over the connector to insert the connector into the receptacle box. This is critical. We want to minimize the exposure of the connector and the receptacle to environmental contamination. During the charging cycle, the green light will be flashing to indicate the charging cycle. And once it's completed, we will go into reverse. The dust cap will come, the protector will come back onto the connector. The dust cap will be inserted back into the receptacle, and the robot will then close the door. Once that's done, the robot will go back into the AETS container, and only once that is achieved, then we will allow the truck to move away from the designated parking location, and the cycle will conclude. Thank you for your time.